Hi, in this video, I will show you how to make your camera clear on Android. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can header refresh our camera in order to see what we're actually dealing with. So let's click on our camera right here, and it should be able to open our camera. So onto our camera, we should be able to see some few things. And as you can see, if you're actually having bad camera quality, what you can do is you can use a dry cloth in order to actually wipe it away. So you can just go over it and then wipe away your actual camera using some dry cloth, and it should be able to make things clearer. So if that actually doesn't solve your problem, what you can do is you can head over it and then use or make sure that you're not using excessive digital zoom. So for example, if you zoom so bad, you should be able to have deflated or pixelated quality. So what you can do is you can head over and then just go to the settings part of your camera. And for this one, make sure to actually choose in here the resolution and choose the highest one that you can think of. Now we have in here the frame rate. Make sure to also choose the highest one. And in here, you can also make sure to just go over and then make sure that some things are not available. You can also restore it by default if you want. And in here, you just need to head over and then edit it out according to the liking. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.